Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can do a simple Arduino program and how you can see how the program is working using Proteus. So guys, what you need an Arduino IDE software and you need a Proteus simulator, that is. So let me begin by showing you the Proteus simulator. Here it is. Is the Proteus design suite version 8.9. Any version will work. What you need to do is to download the Arduino libraries and insert them. So for that I'll do on another day. So we are going to start a new project. So this is how you do your electronics, physical electronics. So since you don't have electronics, we'll simulate that using this software. So we are going to call it Blink LED. Yes, one only place. Next, finish. And now it brings you to this page. On this page you can now you have your playground. So this is where you put the components that you need. Let's say I want a diode, so you're going to type diode and the dozens of diodes are going to appear here. Note some of the libraries, some of the diodes that you maybe want are not here. So if you don't have it here, you can rush to the internet, download the library for Proteus for that diode and come press it in this library. Now I'm going to show you how you start with Arduino. So let's start search Arduino. So on this category here, I have a category by the name Arduino. So if I click it, it will show me all the Arduinos that I have. We have Arduino Mega, Arduino Mini, Arduino Uno. Let's go with the common, Arduino Uno. It's here, you can see it. Okay, when you press OK, now the Arduino is on this white pencil. If I tap it, it appears. I can move it at the moment. If I want to drop it, I double click and that's it. So that's our Arduino. So for this project we need an Arduino and an LED. Simple. So the next component you're going to do is to look for an LED. So LED, so for us to find we're going to narrow down to optoelectronics so that we can see the one we want. So I want one that is animating so that you can see when the program is responding. Let's use this one. From here you can be able to see the direction of the current. So the current is moving downwards. However, you can rotate this according to the way you want it, but I won't rotate it. So keep note of the direction because this will matter when I'm going to press it in the when I'm wiring the circuit in the next step. So I'm going to press it here. Note I've not interfered with the direction so that you can understand, but there are features here, there are tools here that can allow you to zoom, they can allow you to rotate, annotate, do all that stuff. So the last component that we need is a basic. So these are power terminals, they are terminals. So I'm going to use ground. I'm just going to align it down below here. So, and this is how we start wiring it. So pin 13 connects to positive terminal or anode of the diode, while the cathode of the diode connects to the ground. Kindly note, in this setup here, our circuit is complete, but when using Arduino physically, you'll need to wire up the circuit here. Here is where we have the power bar. We have the power in, V in, we have 5 volts, we have 3.3 V, we have another 5 volts I guess, and we have 2 grounds. So they are roughly around 4-5 terminals. So note you will use these ones, so this ground will come here. Kindly note that point of correction when working with Arduino physically, but here we're not going to use this because it has been done in the software part. So now when we want to load the code, we're going to use Arduino IDE to make a code. So there is this program that I had made, but let me give you a quick. We're going to use just an example for blinking an LED basic. So you go under files, you find something called examples. You go to basic. From basic you use blink. Blink is the minimal program. In other programs they do printing the hello world. The hello world in embedded systems, we start by blinking an LED. Here it is. So this is how this program looks like. So for us to be able to use this program, first you must save it, 2 you must be able to compile it, and the third you must be able to export this code into binaries. So let me show you all those 3 steps. So first we have this is a read-only document. So first when we hit save, I'm going to use shortcut Control S. Some files are marked read only, so what you do, you hit OK and it will give you an option to save it. So I'm going to save it as blink 13. So I already have blink 13. So I'll give it another name. Let's say blink 01. So after you're done saving, now you can be able to compile. On this bar it shows here compiling. So after it's done compiling, now the program is okay, it's good, you can use it. So but you cannot load this you cannot load this program in this format in Proteus. So you have to export this program into binaries. So let me show you how you export it. You come here to sketch, you click export compiled to binaries, and that's all. Now you got the binaries that you need to load to Proteus. Now we don't need Arduino IDE, we have the program and we have our circuit in the Proteus. So let's go back to Proteus. Now how do you load program to this Arduino IDE in this case? In this case you just click here and you come here under program file. So here you actually paste the address of where the program that you want to load it to it is. So I'm going to show you a shortcut. So if you install Arduino normally, the files, the programs are saved under documents inside the Arduino folder. So we are going to find it there. So when you click here, the computer takes you direct to documents. So under documents we have Arduino. So we have blink 13, the inside there, that's where we have our folder here. So we want blink 01. So blink 01 is where that's our program. So we need this one with a bootloader. Then we open it, and that's all. So it has copied the address of this is just simply the address of where that file is. After doing that, you come and place OK. You're done. So the next thing, you can come here and do simulation. You can see our LED is blinking after every 1 second. So when you want to make changes, you just come and place stop. You just go edit the code and come and load it again. So like, follow, share. See you next time.